Alright, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new Flintstones couples costumes. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them off for review, so let's go take a look at them. These are cool. Got Halloween around the corner. Let's check them out. As you can see, they come nicely packaged. Check this one out first. Check that out. Super cool. The little thing right here, which we'll try out here in a second. And this one's supposed to be Wilma. Super cool. Alright, so let's actually try them on and see how they look. So here's what it looks like once you actually have it on. The material on both of these is a lightweight polyester-spandex blend. So it's got a little stretch and it doesn't feel itchy or cheap like some costumes do. It's thin but not see-through, so you can definitely wear it comfortably for a few hours at a house party. One thing I did want to mention is that neither of them do come with the accessories. So you will need maybe the necklace or something to go with the Fred Flintstone. So if you guys are looking for some cool Halloween costumes, definitely look into these. I'm going to leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.